Welcome to the weekly Bitcoin.com news show. My name is Corbin Fraser. Today's Friday, February 19th, 2021. Markets are up this week as BTC has hit a new all-time high, crossing $50,000 per Bitcoin. That's a big one. Ethereum also chasing its tail at $1,900 per ETH. And of course, Bitcoin Cash has actually been keeping up as well, seeing some major gains recently. The recent crypto craze has led to some very positive outlooks, including our very first big story. Allianz's chief economic advisor said that the argument for investing in Bitcoin has reached a pivot point. While appearing on CNBC last week, economist Mohamed El-Erian highlighted key reasons for investing in crypto, citing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, debasement, and low yields from treasury holdings. He went on to say that Tesla's big Bitcoin move last week showed the world that Bitcoin was more than just an investment vehicle, but is now also a viable form of payment, which I would argue it always was and still is in Bitcoin Cash. But for those of you guys who maybe haven't been keeping up, Tesla basically bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and then they also went on in public record to say that they'll be accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for the purchase of their vehicles, which is pretty exciting. But you do have to wonder, are they also going to add some additional cryptocurrencies? And if so, which ones? Let us know in the comments which you guys think Tesla will accept. But according to El-Erian, in the coming months and years, we'll see many more companies take big positions in crypto. And we've certainly seen a lot of talk about that on Twitter. However, a key investment advisor this week stated that the US government may be moving to prevent large corporations from moving their dollars into Bitcoin. While also appearing on CNBC last week, Dan Nathan, the principal of Risk Reversal Advisors, stated that he expects the US government to regulate the hell out of Bitcoin, especially if it begins to threaten the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency. With many companies expected to follow Tesla's lead on Bitcoin, government watchdogs are predicting that the Treasury will take steps to protect the dollar. The first order of business may be an SEC investigation into Tesla's Bitcoin buy. According to lawyers, Musk may have manipulated the Bitcoin markets for his own profit by tweeting about the cryptocurrency around the time of his company's purchases. With both Tesla's stock and Bitcoin making massive gains over the past months, some say that an investigation by the SEC is inevitable. Having come under fire by the financial regulator before, Elon Musk and his tweets are a regular target for the SEC. He's already paid $40 million for a fine on similar charges, but it remains to be seen whether any of his recent actions violated the law. Even so, he certainly isn't concerned about manipulating the crypto markets anymore, as he urged Dogecoin whales to dump their holdings via Twitter earlier this week. With reports circulating about a mass concentration of funds in the Dogecoin system last week, Musk went so far as to offer to pay large Dogecoin holders to offload their coins. We'll wait and see if those tweets have any effect on the Doge price, but certainly it seems like some of the tweets that he makes have an impact on the market. Whether or not that's manipulation, I don't know. I think the whole SEC investigation side of stuff, it's a bit wackadoo, but hey, that's part of the game if you're, I guess living and working in the US. So good luck, Elon. And lastly, Jed McCaleb, the co-founder of Ripple, has sold off another $22 million worth of XRP cryptocurrency. On Sunday, McCaleb dumped another 38 million XRP, worth $22 million just after selling 95 million XRP last week. The former Ripple executive also has been subject to multiple SEC investigations following a lawsuit by the SEC claiming that Ripple Labs failed to register XRP as a security. At the core of the issue is the question of whether Ripple should be defined as a currency or a security. Though Ripple execs insist that they have a strong case to prove that XRP is a currency rather than a security, massive sell-offs like McCaleb show that confidence in the case could be wavering. Let us know in the comments, how do you guys feel? Is XRP a security or is it a cryptocurrency? Personally, I find it to be a little bit of a goofy cryptocurrency. I think it's been around for years. And I mean, even in 2016, 2017, like the meme around it was like, XRP, it's going to be Bitcoin, but it's like run by the banks, so it's definitely going to win. So it's like you're betting on crypto, but you're also betting on the banks winning over Bitcoin. And the whole idea just seems a little bit goofy, especially when you kind of like look into, I don't know, who's behind it and the fact that, they've kind of got their own thing going there. I'm not going to make any comments on that, but let us know in the comments what you guys feel about it. But other more fun news than XRP, Vesper.finance, a new DeFi platform launched, and over $100 million Total Value Locked has been added in its first day out of beta. Jeff Garzik of the Bitcoin community, some of you guys may remember him. He's an OG Bitcoiner. He was a large part of the scaling wars in Bitcoin and was adamant about scaling on-chain. Launched a new platform called Vesper.finance with his team. Pools are earning rewards. They've got liquidity pools set up over on Sushi and on Uniswap, and they've got LP staking over on Geyser, which allows users to earn more rewards. The whole DeFi community has kind of been lit up over the past 24 hours here. Very much excited about the new DeFi platform, and I think the professionalism that it brings. Previously, a lot of these DeFi platforms were kind of like memes. They were built around like food tokens. So there was like pickle, and then there was sushi, and then there was like a whole bunch of other like, I don't know, a bunch of other food flavored meme tokens. Some of them did really, really well. Some of them were just kind of scams. But Vesper seems to be like the first DeFi platform that's kind of bringing this level of professionalism to DeFi that I think is really needed in the space right now. In addition to that, they're actually putting the real names behind the entire project. So you've got Jeff Garzik, who's like a really well-known Bitcoiner. And then in addition to that, you've got his team, and they're all very public on the whole platform. They're talking on Discord, they're talking on Telegram, they're actively engaging with people within the community. And I think the big thing is they're not hiding behind an alias, which I think was always kind of the scary part of some of the DeFi stuff, is that you've got these anonymous engineers that are creating forks of random stuff, launching a token, and then they might just disappear, sort of thing. So the good thing is this seems to be backed by a strong team, well-known names in the community, and in addition to that, the whole platform from a UI UX perspective really does make DeFi considerably more easy for average people. Now, that's not to say that people shouldn't do their own research, and I'm not advising anyone to invest their own funds into this thing, but I do find that the interest in DeFi continues to grow as the market grows, and it's great to see these professional platforms coming out and saying, how can we make things a little bit easier for people? How can we make them look more presentable to the public in a more traditional investment manner? And I think that's exactly what DeFi is needing right now. So congratulations, Jeff Garzik. Congratulations to everyone over on the Vesper team. We'll be keeping a close eye on this project. I hope to see what happens in the next week with regards to Total Value Locked, because $100 million in the first day after beta, that's monstrous. So congratulations. This just goes to show we're very much out of the bear. We are in the bull market, everyone. Congratulations, we made it. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about some of the stories we've talked about today, and give us a like, a subscribe, and if you hit the little bell notification, we'll send you a notice next time we post a video. And a big thank you to Trinity and Jason for supporting me while I was away. I was enjoying a little time off, and they did a fantastic job on the video. Let us know in the comments if you think they should pop in a little bit more, because I thought they did pretty good. So thank you again. We'll see you guys next week.